Hello bestie, welcome back to the channel. I'm back again with another video. Bestie, anytime you see me gone for a minute, just know I'm cooking up something good for you, and when it's ready, I'll be bringing it to you. I've been sitting on this app for a few months now. My hands have been itching. I've always been on this point of I wanted to share this information with you as soon as I got it, but I needed to work on the platform. I needed to check out the platform, see how it's working for me before bringing that information to you. So bestie, today I'm very happy to be putting you on this app that I'll be talking about today. In my opinion, they have the best paying threshold, meaning that you don't get to work for long before you get your money. So I'll be taking you through all that in a few minutes. I'll be also putting you through or showing you the platforms that they're paying you through, and just making sure that bestie, you're ready to get your money when you get on this app. The good thing that I'll be hinting from the beginning is that some of their jobs are paying really well. So bestie, hitting that threshold is not a problem at all. You can tell by my excitement of this video is that bestie, I've been waiting, I've been itching to put you on this, but I had to do my due diligence on this one. I had to go work on it so that when I come to tell you about it, it's not rumors, it's something that I know what I'm talking about. So let's jump in the video. Bestie, you can see as of now I've been able to earn 6 euros. From this video you'll get to understand that this money was paid after I recorded this video. So I just recorded this today to just sort of give you an update of how much I've been able to earn. Remember, the threshold on this app is 10 euros, so I'm 4 euros away from getting and withdrawing my money. So this is just sort of to just show you that bestie, it's working, I'm earning. So from the assigned job, I've been able to pick up 2 more jobs that were available on my catalog. So there is the app testing job, which pays 1.50 euros, and then we have the photo capturing job as well, which can only be done on an Android. So the app testing is for a mobile, and then it's 1 euro. So besties, those are some of the jobs. Going to the account history, you will be able to see some of the payment that I've been able to come through. So some jobs have been able to pay me 1.50, so that's an equivalent of 1.75 US dollars or 150 Kenyan shilling, which is my currency. So you can be able to see that some payment are able to come through besides some payment that came through earlier in June. So we have some new payment, and so best you can see that I'm not here to waste your time. Some of the jobs that were paid in June, it's the BitLab detail survey, which you can see was paid 1.016 euro, that is 1.17 US dollars. So you can see this was paid in June, but there's some payment which have come through in August. So bestie, jobs are here. So you can see when you get on this app, you will have the assigned jobs. So these are the jobs that you're being able to pick from the catalog or from the jobs that are available. And then you can be able to see, like for app testing, you have help train and authentication application, Android only. So you're training AI on this app testing. So really all you do is upload images. So you have to take like 3 images in poses that you're directed by the job itself. So it's really easy, and with that you'll be able to earn your 1.50 euros. And then from there you have the onboarding. So onboarding, if you go through the videos of onboarding, you'll be able to earn around 0.01 euros. But bestie, I told you, any job that doesn't pay me 1 euro and above, I don't do that job. Why? It's wasting my time, and I don't have time to waste. Because if you want me to do a job, pay me, right? Like pay me. If you want me to do a survey, pay me. Don't give me this petty cash. No, I'm not doing that. Even for the 0.50 euros, you can see I didn't pick that job because why am I uploading 3 short videos to just earn 0.50 euros? It doesn't make sense for me. So the other jobs that are provided by from the other partner platforms, so these are partners of this app that you'll be able to work on them. So even with those videos, you're able to be guided. You can see there's still some other available jobs here. also app testing. So there's some app testing that you use your mobile phone, and there's some app testing that you use your computer, your laptop, right? So you'll be able to do on both, and you're paid as well. You can see from the beginning of this video I was able to show you that I was paid for doing these jobs, bestie. Okay, so with each job there are instructions on what to do, so all you have to do is read carefully on what is expected of you. They even show you an example of what to do, right? So for example, for this job, now these are the jobs that bestie I don't do, but I know there are people who do it. These are the jobs that require you to play games. Personally, I don't have time to play games to earn. I don't have to get to, I don't know, level 8 for me to be able to earn 1.95 euros. But bestie, if you have time, you can definitely play these games. Most of them pay well, but bestie, I haven't earned from any game because, like I said, I don't have time to stay on my phone and play videos. I want to do a quick job, upload 2 images, and earn my money and be out. But you can see from these games, you're able to earn by each level of the game that you get. Now, for me, I think these are ridiculous, honestly. Why do I have to get to level 30 for me to be able to earn the money that you promised me from the beginning, right? So I think that these are some of the things that I wouldn't do. But bestie, if totally you think this is something you can do, go ahead, play these games and get your money, right? You can see some pay up to 4.88 euros. That's good money. But if you're able to wait it out and play these games every day, if you have the time, you go ahead and do that, bestie. Okay, so for each game you have instructions of how to play and when or at what level do you get to earn and how much do you earn. Okay, I don't understand why at level 150 I'm only earning 0.42 euros. Oh my gosh, I have no time for this, bestie. Okay, but since this is something that I know can help you, this is why I'm recording it as part of this video. But bestie, like I said, I haven't done any jobs that involves playing games, because again, I don't have the time for that. The app that I'm talking about is Clickworker. So Clickworker pays you through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, bestie, I've told you time and time again, you have to get your PayPal account. You can see the payout threshold is 10 euros. Bestie, I'm at 6 euros, so I only have 4 euros to go for me to withdraw my money. So I'll be updating you on when I'll be withdrawing my money. You can see that you can be able to put your earnings on hold if you want them to add up maybe to an amount that can be useful to you. But yeah, so that's much about it in terms of that. So you will be able to verify your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead, register that, then come and link it on this app, that is the Clickworker app. Now once you've been able to Hello bestie, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you are able to follow through, and if you have any questions about that platform or any other platform, do let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, it helps me to reach more viewers as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, bestie, it's about time that you do that, don't you think, sir? So thank you, bestie. I know I may not post as frequently as I want, but it's because, bestie, I need to vet the platforms that I'm coming to pitch to you. I need to do my research well and make sure that when I'm bringing information to you, it's information that you can rely on. So thank you, bestie. Until my next video, stay safe.